Hey everyone, I'm Eric from Rockford, Fosgate. Welcome to episode 1 of the Diamond R Garage, where we'll dive into the technologies that drive our products by helping you design, select, and configure your audio system. In our upcoming videos, we'll be covering multiple stages of mobile system design. So you may ask yourself, what is mobile system design? Well, it's designing an audio system in a vehicle based on a traditional 12-volt electrical application, such as a car, truck, or SUV. Now, building an audio system in an SUV will be different than in a sports compact car, but how you approach each project will be the same. Before you start, you need to ask yourself 6 basic questions. Number 1, what type of vehicle are you building the system in? Is it a car, truck, or an SUV? The size of the vehicle will help you determine the limitations and how big of a system you can install. Number 2, what kind of performance do you want? Are you building a sound quality system, or do you just want to be loud for SPL? This will help you determine what type of components to select. Number 3, how do you want to control your system? Will you be using a factory or an aftermarket source unit? And what features do you need and want? Number 4, how many and what type of speakers do you need? Now, are you interested in sound for the front driver passenger only, or do you want to reproduce full surround sound for that ultimate experience? Number 5, do I need subwoofers? If you want to feel the lower bass notes in your music, then that answer is yes. How much bass you want will be determined by how much space you have. Number 6, how much power do you need? How many amplifiers do you need to power your system is based on how many speakers and subwoofers you're using. Now, these are all things you need to think about before starting your build. Throughout this series, we'll be discussing each one of these topics to help you choose the best options for your audio system. Hit the like button and subscribe to see more videos like this one, and we'll see you in the next video.